everyone. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Once again, I promise you're going to have so much fun and you're going to be happy that you actually watched this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make vitamin C sauce for babies and adults, and it's really good because it helps to fight against common cold and flu. And if you already have it and you take this sauce, it's really going to aid your recovery and you're going to be back to your normal self so quickly. Yeah, and of course it boosts immunity for babies and adults, and it's really good and super easy, super affordable, super accessible ingredients that we can easily get in a grocery store. So you're gonna be using some apples, mangoes, carrots, just a dash of turmeric, and freshly squeezed ginger juice. Yeah, I'm going to be making a separate video on how to make the ginger juice. So about 3 tablespoons of ginger juice in there, and just a dash of turmeric, as you can see. And yeah, and just a squeeze of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And just really cook it in and stir everything. And while you're at it, try to use the spoon to just mash it up while it's cooking. Try to release its juices, and you just make it as soft as possible while it cooks. So that's the lemon juice right there. So just really try to mix everything in and let it cook and really just release all its nutrients in it. And guys, try to be careful how much time you cook this. You don't want to destroy all the nutrients that we need in there. So yes, just try and make it fun for kids. So while they take it, the carrots will just make it so much fun and crunchy for them to just play with. And some kids don't like taking apples, but trust me, with the apple in this recipe, they're gonna love it. And they may not even know they're taking apples, yes, but it's so healthy for them. So guys, this is it. You guys are so blessed. Thank you.